Hey everyone, BamaCooley here. I hope everybody's having a really good week. I got some good stuff coming up at the end of the week. I got some more car reviews coming with some BMWs and a very nice rare Porsche. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned for that. As you may remember, last week I took my Raptor to the dyno to see how much power I'm getting out of it with the 5-star E50 Tune. I think our last pull in seventh gear, we ended up pulling 484 horsepower at the wheel and 560 pound-feet of torque, I believe. So it was really good. I did record those logs using the SCT X4, and I sent them into 5-star tuning. And they were really appreciative. They were using a lot of that data to compare it with their dyno. And I'm still waiting for I think it's my second revision from them. But in the meantime, this is a little bit of an unboxing because they sent me a gift box for helping them out. And it is a very nice athletic fit 5-star tuning shirt. 5-star tuning koozie. And 2 5-star tuning decals. So special shout out and thanks to Tony and the 5-star team out there. They have taken care of me, and I hope to get them some more data and wait for my second revision. But I can't complain with the service, and that E50 tune on my Raptor is really nice, and I love driving that truck with it now. So just remember, like I said, I got more car reviews coming. I got some other stuff planned for the truck and some different things planned for the channel coming up. So I want everybody to like and subscribe and look out for the content I'm going to be putting out. With that said, have a good rest of your week, and I will try to get those videos up for the car reviews as quickly as I can. I'm visiting the dealership that I'm working with tomorrow, so I will let y'all know how that goes, and maybe do a short, let you know how it goes, post some quick shorts, some quick pictures or videos of it, and we'll go from there. So have a good rest of your week, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.